In this video, we're going to talk about ideas for your vision board, and I'm going to share with you 5 tips if you are stuck on trying to come up with things that you want to add to your vision board. So the very first point that I have for you is you need to start with your wants and your needs first. Taking into and needs is very important because if you want, you're going to have a come up with things that you out and about in your day-to-day life. So start with the things that you want to add to your vision board first. So try to think of things that interest you. Try to think of things that inspire you. Try to think of things that you want. Try from things that you like, you want. You will slowly be able to come up and filter it down to things that you actually really want. So that is very important. And the second tip that I have for you is I want you to think about things that are going to improve your life, things that are improvement factors or improvement areas to improve in. Say you have to now you know that you are or you're fat and you need to really work on. So the very first thing that you need to take into consideration when trying to before even add a picture to your vision board is to take a look at the that you are following. Take a look at the people who are actually fit and take a look at the discipline, their lifestyle. And if you resonate with those people, try to either take their pictures or you can even find similar ones. They can be models or actors or anyone else that can actually they actually inspire you to be that kind of a person. So maybe you are inspired by their lifestyle. Maybe you see them hanging out with successful people or they are around with women and they're doing really well. So whatever the case that is, I want you to add vision board by looking at people who are role models essentially. So if they are successful and they are trying to lose weight or they are actually standing as a role model for you, try to add them to your vision. That's how you think about improvement ideas. That's just try to improve coaches who can teach you and are living that lifestyle. If you are trying to improve in your business and finance, try to look at business coaches or anyone who else who is doing well in business. So think of all the improvement areas of your life, and that's the base where you can try to add on things that you want to consider when trying to come up with topics that you can add to your vision board, like pictures or other quotes or anyone else who inspires you or motivates you. Then the next tip that I have for you is if you're really stuck and trying to come up with topics or things that you want to add to your vision board, is to watch a lot of movies and TV shows. What I mean by watching a lot of movies and TV shows is because when you're trying to watch, most people watch movies and TV shows just for the sake of entertainment. But when you watch movies and TV shows and you look at it from not only an entertainment angle but also from an angle of learning inspiration, so that's when you get inspired to come up with new things that will actually inspire you to actually pursue them, or maybe you will remember a quote or a line from that movie, or you even remember things that actually they said something about the movie, or maybe you like the car that the actor was driving, maybe you like the places that they visited, maybe they kind of experience that they had in that movie. So those are the things that can inspire you. So if those kind of things inspire you and you have a flash of memory from that, try looking online for those pictures or those scenes from those movies and snap it out and try to add them to your vision board. That's how you prevent yourself from getting stuck in trying to come up with ideas for your vision board. And the fourth thing that I have for you, fourth tip that I have for you is to go on free platforms, free stock imagery websites like unsplash.com, pixabay.com, pixels.com. And as you, if any word that comes to your mind, type in those words, keywords into the search bar, and you'll be able to find out pictures that will actually that represents those search phrases. And if you find a picture that you like, take a look at the other pictures that are being recommended to you. and that will kind of give an inspiration to you on what you need to add to your vision board. So, and once you find the one that you like, download them onto your computer, and you'll be able to create a digital vision board using a free platform like Canva.com. And if you are much advanced, you can use platform like Photoshop as well. So try to go ahead and pick out pictures that actually represent or inspire you. So go on free platforms. Once you start doing the exercise of going on free platforms like this and taking a look at pictures and typing in different search phrases, you'll be really inspired to actually want to uh, dive in deeper into actually picking the right picture for you that you want to activate. Try to be as free flowing as possible as you can be. And once you start looking around those pictures, you'll be able to come up with things that you actually really want. And deep down you'll get an answer, yes, this is exactly what I want and this is exactly what I don't want. So that's how you distinguish between trying to know which kind of picture you want to add to your vision board that speaks to you. And the fifth tip that I have for you is decide on what you want to add to your vision board. Is because you have to, after you pick up pictures from various platforms, various websites, various after watching a lot of movies, or even from taking a look at inspiration of people online, whether they can be models, actors, celebrities, or any public figure, or anyone you look up to. Try to take their stuff, but not only considering your improvement areas. Also narrow it down and filter out exactly what you want in your life. Is it actually going to add value to your life, or is it going to not add value to your life? And that's how you distinguish between deciding how to come up with the things that you want to add to your vision board. So, if all these points make sense to you, I hope you will be able to take the idea that I have given, these tips that I have given you, and you'll be able to come up with things that you want to add to your vision board. And if you're really check out the vision board mini course that I have for you. It's going to help you cover 5 different areas with the vision board that's going to help you manifest things and desires and dreams that you want to achieve in your life. So keeping a vision board really simple is essential for you to achieve success or even manifest or even attract those things in your life. So if you do not believe in a vision board, definitely check it out. Comments below why you do not believe a vision board will work. Because the first point of even manifesting your dreams and desires and goals or even attracting them into your life is to first believe that it's possible. Once you believe that it's possible, you will be able to uh, go out and actually put them into a visual form where you can take a look at it, get inspired by it. And once you're inspired by it, you'll go out and about your day trying to work towards it. Or when as you're working towards it, you will see opportunities popping up here and there, and then you will be able to decide on, yes, I want to take up this opportunity because that's exactly what I had in mind, and that's exactly why I added those pictures onto my vision board. So when you go through my vision board mini course, it's going to help you transform your life. It's going to help you come up with different things that you need to add to your vision board, and it's going to be dynamic. It's going to help you cover the 5 basic areas of your life, and I'm going to add bonuses to the course. And there are already 5 bonuses that I'm giving it to you, and I'm going to make it very simple. So once you create a vision board, and once even if you create a digital vision board, like I have mentioned in my course, you'll be able to save them to your wallpaper or then add them to your phone screen. And once you wake up every single day, and whether you go to work or take a look at your phone, you'll be really inspired by the things that you've added to your vision board. And that's why doing that part is going to help you. No, those certain kind of thoughts are going to be planted into your mind, and once they are planted into your mind, you'll actually go look for those things in real life. So that's going to be the first very important step that you need to go take in order to create a vision board that actually helps you manifest the life of your dreams and achieve impossible things that ordinary people are really struggling, even when trying to come up with writing down goals every single day. So vision board is going to be the very first step because pictures help you put together things that even words can't. So pictures are going to actually be the actual representation of things that you want to achieve in your life, or pictures, things that you want in your life. So try to know what you want and need first should be the first thing that you need to consider when adding things onto your vision board. If you're really stuck, and try to come up with things that you want to improve upon or things that you want to work on. So those kind of things can be the next thing that you can write down with things, pictures or quotes or sayings or movie clips. And the third thing is watch a lot of movies and TV shows. And when you're watching a lot of movies and TV shows, remember quotes, lines, images, experiences, snapshots of memories. Go find out those kind of things online, snapshot them and add them to your vision board. And go on free websites that are going to help you trigger that inspiration and create kind of emotion that you actually decide and filter out. Okay, these are the kind of things that I want to add into my life. So go and look for them until you find what you're actually looking for. Do not stop until that, because once you're pursuing that thing that your is calling inside of you, keep pursuing until you get that thing, and that's how the full cycle of vision board process creation is complete. And finally, I want to narrow down and filter out exactly what you want to add and why you want those things into your life. If you can follow these 5 tips, you'll be able to complete a vision board that is really impactful and is going to help you manifest in life. Because there are certain other things that I cover in my vision board mini course that you may not know, and I have also explained in 7 different models and 5 different bonuses, and I give you even additional surprise bonus that are going to help you um, actually manifest and help you strengthen the vision board creation process. And you're going to complete your vision board, and you're going to also be able to feature your vision board to thousands of other students who are going to come into the course, and who are going to be able to network with you, connect with you, and follow your social media or whatever that you want to do. So being the first always is the most advantage. So if you are struggling to come up with things that you want to add, definitely leave a comment below, and we'll be able to talk about it and have a further discussion on it. And if you like this video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I hope you are able to come up with topics that you want to add to your vision board. Let's see you in the